Okay, let's go over some machine learning theory. So traditionally, programs run by taking rules and data inputted and then turning them into answers like we saw in TD1, right? So we'll do 5 times 5, and then we'll also do 50 minus 5 in the same cell. We're going to run the cell by hitting Control Enter, and then we'll see that the output is 45. So 5 times 5 is 25, and 50 minus 5 is 45. The numbers were the data, and then the arithmetic operators were the rules. So if we make a new cell, Shift Enter, we'll make a comment, numbers equal data, and arithmetic operators equals rules, and answer is equal to the output. Now, machine learning works a little differently with this information and instead uses a slightly different approach to these concepts. So it'll take lots of data and answers already concluded to that data, and then it will try to predict what the rules are for them instead. So it will try to predict, it's not going to run, so I'm going to make it as a comment. 25 is equal to 5, but what's the rule for that? What's 5 rule 5 that's equal to 25? Well, the answer is 25, and then the data is 5 and 5. So rule is what? So instead the program will get the answer 25 and then the data 5 and 5, and it will try to find the rule of that, which is multiplication. We know this, but the computer doesn't. So this process is called labeling, and we'll establish rules that will match rules to data and answers that were fed in. These concepts can be applied to things like computer vision and natural language processing. Now, how does the program figure out patterns to predict rules and outcomes? X is equal to -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then Y is equal to -3, -1, 1, 3, 5, and 7. So I'm going to pause right here. Do you notice a pattern? And what pattern did you notice? So for this data set, the two variables are related by the equation y is equal to 2x minus 1. Do you notice it? So y is the equivalent to 2 times the corresponding x minus 1. So x times 2 minus 1 is -3. 0 times 2 minus 1 is -1, and so on and so forth.